Welcome to Shimizu. It's nice weather today, guys. Hot. See, look at the kids. They're playing, doing the fishing, but they cannot go swim. Oh, very nice. There's a foreign waffle. So cute. Wow, busy day today. It's Paul's Dream Plaza. A lot of people here. Maybe there's a show. Just in the upstairs. So let's go to my favorite snacks. I will buy my favorite snacks first. I'm here in the Paul's Dream Plaza Mall. I want to eat sashimi, but there's no salmon here. I'm looking for my favorite snacks. Here, this in Philippines. This is my favorite snack here. Good. 뭐 됐다. 한번. 핫백 뭐. So today I'm going to the mini park just to relax, drink my green tea, or no, green tea, forget, gin my cha, oi ocha, roasted rice tea. Sit down there. Oh, it's a cat. Look at that. There's a lot of cats here. So this is Shimizu, nearby the pier. I'll sit down here, relax. Drink my tea. I will sit down here and relax. Oh, nice. Refreshing with my drink tea. Very nice. Relaxing. Oh, there's no more grass. The grass is dying, maybe about to grow. So, sit down here, guys. And this is my view. That's the Norwegian Spirit over there. And that's the mall. It's very nice here, relaxing. Let's see the view here, guys. Tambay mo. It's my favorite snacks. It's very nice here, guys. Relaxing. Take some fresh air. My bag, my drink, oil ocha, unsweetened roasted rice tea. So I save money. No need to eat in the restaurant. This one is squid. 490. Squid with mayonnaise. So good. roasted rice tea. Roasted rice tea for good. Hindi na tayo diri oh. Magkag sashimi ba? Kilaw diri part. Nila mi eh. Bigli. Di lang ta sa shopping kay mahal makagasto ta. May pamukhaon ta diri. Gawas. Palit ra ka dito. Yan din alikan barato. It's very nice here for kids to play. They can walk around, run. Very nice. I've decided to go to off house book of the second hand shop just to look what they have if I can find a cheaper and good quality. Otherwise, I will not buy. Tomorrow is Nagoya, so they have a big book of as well. But I feel lazy. It's a little bit far from there, going there. So better I save my energy for tomorrow, and tomorrow is more cheaper and a lot of selections unlike here. Let's see, I will show you around. I just want to walk around here in the town, but maybe I get tired. See you guys later. Done eating. I will go back now or I will walk around. I will show you around what's in here in Shimizu. For those who are cruising or cruising soon, this is an idea for you. What to see here in Shimizu. Actually, you can see the Mount Fuji here, but if you go there, it's too far. This is the cherry blossom last time. Now it's getting leaves. It's the parking area for the mall. I think I'll just walk around what's in here. But I need to go Wi-Fi first to search what's in here.